कहते हैं कि जब हम लोग फीचर फोन से स्मार्टफोन पे आए हमारी पूरी दुनिया बदल गई। उसी तरीके से द कमिंग ऑफ 5G is going to be that big. It'll change every single thing. Well, it's finally here. It's live. और मुझे invite किया गया to the Airtel event where they actually launched off the 5G Plus. क्या फर्क है? कब आपको मिलेगा? Will it work on any 5G phone? Maybe आपने कोई फोन पहले खरीद लिया। क्या आपको स्पीड्स मिलेंगी? क्या क्या आप नया कर पाएंगे? And who are all the people out there? Everything revealed in this video. आइए शुरू करते हैं। 5G लाइव है इंडिया में, 8 सिटी में शुरू हो गया। मैं यहाँ आ गया हूँ एयरटेल के लॉन्च में, एयरटेल 5G Plus।
The biggest change, of course, is exactly what we are here for. 5G, I think, is going to be as important as when we moved from feature phone to smartphone. I really see it to be that big a change. And I think the most used app with 5G for the first few months will be a speed, a speed test app, because हम सब वही करते रहेंगे, कितनी speed है, we'll keep doing that.
तो काफी वहां पे 5G डेमो था। एक तो स्पीड का डेमो था, we will be shocked at the speeds I got. फिर उन्होंने बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग, there was a glam shot that they used a robot to shoot. मेरा अवतार बना वहां पे। All the extra demos and everything else that they showed. Let's take a look.
So I'm here. Airtel 5G Plus has been launched. और ये मेरे पास जो है, this is just a typical 4G connection. I want to see the difference. So let's first go with 4G. 100-ish चल रहा है अभी, and I think that's where we'll close. That's the best you can really expect. In fact, I'm quite surprised कि मेरे को 100 भी मिल रहा है. Time now for the 5G. नहीं, अगर ये देखो, ये अगर 700-800 तक नहीं पहुंचा ना, I'll be very disappointed. मतलब that will be I shouldn't have said it. We're hitting 1,000. Oh my God. 937 average is what I just got. Okay, now that's 10x. My mind is...
I'm going to do the same thing again. Ready!
It wasn't only about demos. वहाँ पे काफ़ी interesting, मतलब क्या portfolio of people था. There are people that I hadn't met for a very long time, people I met for the first time, and of course all the other favorites from the tech world. सब लोग वहाँ पे थे. तो उन सबको मैं मिला, सबसे मैंने बातें की, लेकिन उन सबसे मैंने एक सवाल पूछा. When you get your first phone with 5G showing right out there, तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करोगे?
Speed test. Go back, watch my matches, and also to go back where I won my matches and learn a lot more and feel happy about it.
We shoot videos like here. I can't upload it from here. If I have to wait one day delay or something, I can upload it from here. So instant.
Speed test वाला ऐप डाउनलोड करूँगा मैं, speed check करनी.
To watch India playing in the World Cup T20.
Flight board करने से पहले because we're running always late, so downloading the series right at the boarding gate.
Could be the T20 World Cup and that immersive experience that everybody speaks about. I want to feel that one.
I feel I'm going to call my wife because I miss her a lot. She is not here.
Go on the speed test app and check the speed.
Play FIFA all night.
मैं एक अच्छा सा एडिटर हायर करूँ, मेरा काम अच्छे से चले.
हर स्पीड टेस्ट करने के बाद मैं देखूंगा डेटा कितना कटा है भाई मेरा.
So very interesting how everybody seems to want to use it for different things. लेकिन there's one very special person out there. I know her for years. I'm very proud of all that she's achieved. वो है PV Sindhu. उनसे मैंने बात की थोड़ी और डिटेल में.
So one of my absolute all-time favorite superstars of sports with me. So now that you heard a lot about 5G and everything that's going to happen out here, what's really exciting you? What's the first thing you think you're going to be doing with 5G that has you personally excited?
I think I would do the entertainment side personally because I think you can go back, watch your matches, and what needs to be done and what to do and what needs to improve in what you do. I think that is more about it because when it comes to game and when it comes to badminton, you would want to watch your previous matches where you lost and learn from your mistakes, right? For me, next would be to go back and see what needs to be done and to get those medals back home.
Yes, you heard it here first. All the medals coming to us right from the person on my right hand side.
Very interesting event. आपने देखा कि उन्होंने क्या-क्या वहाँ पे announce किया. We'll go through into all of these things. In fact, Randeep Sekhon जो CTO हैं Airtel से, he sat down also and spoke to me. तो वो भी मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा. Almost all the big questions are going to be answered in that interview. We've actually gone on stage and said, this is the Airtel network which will work on all 5G phones.
It will work on every phone because there is one band which called sub 6 or 3500. It is available in all 5G phones.
We saw some crazy demos. I have a phone that was handed over to me, 1.1 Gbps speed, which is mind blowing. Yeah. What are you saying when you mean 20-30x? What can people expect on a normal average every day?
The average speed is close to 300 Mbps.
Now I'm coming to the one that is, I think, closest to me and to millions of people out there, and that is the environment.
So we will put one radio instead of 4 radios in one sector or 10 odd radios in one side. The radios which we are using are very, very futuristic. It consumes very less power, but it produces much more GBs than these 4 radios combined used to produce.
All right, fantastic. I think this has been epic. I thought I came in here just to see a launch of 5G and some great speed. But I think this has been both education and learning. Congratulations, and I hope it grows bigger and bigger from here.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Ab finally, wo wala sawal which everybody has in mind. How expensive is 5G going to be? I can tell you, ये unofficial है, लेकिन आप मेरी तरफ से official समझ लीजिए. It's going to be exactly the same as 4G. So that then is Airtel 5G Plus. बहुत fast rollout है, 8 cities में rollout है. Do check. क्या पता आपके एरिया में, आपके टाउन में, आपके सिटी में 5G आ गया and you just did not even check your phone. करके देखिए, maybe it's actually on.